Hello everyone, my name is Tias and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on my precious 800. It is sitting in there for a while, so we're gonna cold start it, clean it up, and there will be other videos on the same thing where I will be fixing my front bumper and all. It is broken, as you can see in the video later. So please stay tuned and subscribe and like this video if you want.
Hello guys, good morning from Nagpur. Yes, I am not in Mumbai right now. I am in Nagpur. Will be starting up my 800, my project car, but it is not starting because stupid me didn't disconnect the battery before going to Mumbai. So the battery is dead. Have to charge it or jump start the car. I'd have no one right now to help me for jump starting the car, so I'll take the battery to a local battery man to charge it up. So show you the battery for a second. You can see how it looks. Very bad shape. We'll do a good work on this. See you in a few. So guys, the battery is out. We'll be putting in my other car. Let's keep it in my other car. I'll be driving to a haircut now, so in a few. So I'll do that then. Had few shopping to do. Here we go. Hasta la vista, baby. So after doing the battery, I'll be washing my car. See here. It is a very good condition. From the minus side, it is a very good condition. So definitely needed a wash. So I have put my battery into that car, right, which I will take to a saloon. Before that, I will now my battery charge. I must have said battery charge too many times now. So see you guys again in a few. Hello everyone. Good morning. It is raining today right now. I couldn't install the battery yesterday because it took almost 8 hours to charge, or more than that I guess. So it is raining good. There is the car, and here I am. So I will be installing the battery and trying to start the car up. Let's see if it is more than that, I think. So hello, I got my tools. And the car keys. Let's get the battery. I think I have to push the car in the front a little. So hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the test ride.
वीडियोस बनाने हैं, फिल्मोरा है ना।